do Ford focus wheel spacers work? Ford focus wheel spacers can be installed as aftermarket part. The high-quality Ford focus wheel spacers can help the vehicle with more modifications and upgrades, including brake system upgrades, aftermarket wheel adaptation, cosmetic changes, better handling, and more. Ford focus wheel spacers offer easy and quick wheel position adjustment, allowing the wheel to be moved outward to a specific position, usually flush with the fenders, while ensuring the structural safety of the vehicle. The lines of the vehicle will be fuller, giving the vehicle an aggressive and track-filled appearance. Using Ford focus wheel spacers allows you to safely fit wider tires on your existing wheels or upgrade to bigger wheels without rubbing against the frame, wheel hub assembly, or other suspension components, improving traction and handling even more. If you are looking to upgrade the wheels with good Ford focus wheel spacers, then look no further than BONOSS. BONOSS manufactures a huge range of Ford focus wheel spacers to fit a massive variety of different wheels and applications. Designed by professional mechanical engineers, these are made in an independent factory to the highest quality and are full of more than 66 SGS and GV test reports. BONOSS also provides a choice of wheel spacer size from 50mm to 50mm. BONOSS Ford focus wheel spacers are all forged. The manufacturing process of forge made the internal structure of the spacer denser and firmer. Meanwhile, the material used is aluminum alloy, and it has many outstanding characteristics, such as high strength, wear resistance, excellent toughness, impact resistance, and high temperature resistance. This metal has good mechanical properties. Compared with industry standards, the cheap spacers that use low-quality materials are not strong enough and will deform and endanger gun safety under strong impact. By contrast, BONOSS insists on producing professional Ford focus wheel spacers, which are far higher than the industry safety and professional standards. In addition, the BONOSS Ford active cooling Ford focus wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation rules to make brake cooling better, distributed in petal shape. These rules allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actually dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that are distributed on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors, which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving safety. Also, the BONOSS Ford focus wheel spacers come with a 10-year warranty, which gives drivers peace of mind.